Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi keep turning off on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly. After check internet connection, so you will see your problem is not solved. Go to app library, scroll down to and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset network setting. After click on reset network settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi keep turning off on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.